In this video, I'll be showing how to replace a front exterior door handle on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the front doors. Let's get started. We're going to want to go ahead and locate our front door panel and our door handle. As you can see up here, there's a trim panel. I'll be removing this using an angled pick. There's a slot right here where you could pry. Remove it and set it aside. Now you can locate the 1.7mm bolt. Now I'm going to go ahead and locate my window switches and the storage compartment adjacent to them. There's another trim panel that I'll be removing with my angled pick. So insert it in the corner and pull up. Now you'll find two more 7mm bolts. I'm going to remove those now. Set these aside. And our door panel is ready to come off. Simply just pry along all the corners and pop off the clips. Now that the door panel is separated from the door, I'm going to locate my door handle cable and the clip holding it. I'm going to push down on the tab, pull it back. I'm going to pull the cable away from the handle. Set it aside. Now I'm going to locate my two electrical connectors. As you can see, they have red tabs. Just pull these up. You'll hear that click and remove them. There's another tab right here. Just push it down and pull out. Inspect for any corrosion and damage. I'm going to repeat with this one. Pull the tab out, push down and pull. Now we can set the door panel aside. Now I'm going to go ahead and locate the door bracket and locate the two 7mm bolts. Now we could remove our vapor barrier. Now I'm going to go ahead and locate one corner of the vapor barrier and just separate it from the door. Just pull up. Once you reach this top corner, go ahead and slide your door cable out. Now we can set this aside. Quick note for easy access to the connector, you're going to want to leave the window all the way up. So now we can locate this white connector on the back side. You're going to have a red tab. You're going to want to push that up and out. I'll be using an angled pick to push it out. As you can see now it's pushed out. I could push down on this tab and remove the connector. I'll inspect for any corrosion or damage. Now I'm going to move along to the inner part of the door near the weather strip and locate this rubber grommet. Just going to pinch it to remove it. Set it aside. Now that my grommet's out of the way, I could go ahead and locate the angled T25 Torx screw. Gonna go ahead and remove that now. Once it's loose, take some pliers or a magnet to remove the screw. Well, we can set it aside. Now we can go ahead and remove the back portion of the door handle. Just slide it out. Now we're going to go ahead and pull the handle back. Feed the wire through, and there it is. Before we install, quick note, make sure this gasket is intact. You do not want any water or moisture in your door. As you can see, ours is in good shape. I'm going to feed the wire through. Same with the handle. I'm going to leave it like this for now. I'm going to go back inside the door. Make sure the spring is seated and verify operation of the door handle. Now we're going to make sure our door handle works. We're going to shut the door and open it again. Now for our back portion of the door handle, slightly open the handle, slide the tab in. Now we can move on to the screw. Now to install our T25 Torx screw. I'm going to insert it. I'm just going to snug this down. Now we can reinstall our rubber grommet. Make sure it's in place. Now for our door handle connector. The red side of the harness goes pointing towards the outside of the door. Hold the other side while you push in. Make sure you hear that click. Now push down the red tab. Make sure everything is secure. Now for our vapor barrier. So we're going to take the cable, slide it through the slot on the vapor barrier. Now we can mount our barrier. If you need some new adhesive, now would be a good time to install it. Just going to follow along all the mounting points. Now we can install our door panel bracket, and it's two 7mm bolts. Just snug these down. Now for our door panel. I'm going to grab my door handle cable, secure it in the door handle. I'm going to pull on the cable and align the tab. So once that's aligned, I'm just going to push in. Once it's aligned, push in. Make sure you hear that click and check that it's secure. Now for our harness connections. Push in and push the red tab down. Same with the other one. Now align the clips on the door handle with the door and these top clips as well, and push in. As you can see, our top clips are secure. Now we're going to move along to the bottom clips. And that looks good. Now that my door panel is firmly in place, I'm going to secure the two 7mm bolts for the trim panel. Just snug them down. Now reinstall the cover. Make sure this piece angles out and push it. Now we're going to move along up to the handle for our last 7mm bolt. Just make sure it's snug. Now we're going to reinstall our cover. This cutout points towards the back. And that completes our install. Go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.